Top 3 apps to watch movies. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys the top 3 best apps to watch movies on your mobile device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let us head over to our App Store or Google Play Store. You guys can follow along and download as you watch this video as well. So head over to the search bar and the first one is called 123 Movies. So simply search for 123 Movies and hit enter and you should find this right here. So this is one of the best websites out there. You can even see it has gotten a 4.7 rating. So here you can see that you can view this website. You can search for movies, you can watch movies. There are the latest movies available as well here, and you can actually watch all of these movies in this app itself. It's also available in your Google Play Store. So yeah, this is one of the best apps out there. Now the second app is right below here as well. So this is the second app, Movies Box and TV Shows. So this is also another one of the best movies out there. You can see that there are different sections even sectioned here. So you can see the popular ones right now. You can see the upcoming movies as well, and you can just watch. You can even create movies to watch list here as well. So yeah, you can actually watch a lot of movies. You can select different genres as well. So these are the two top movies. Now the top one, that is called Plex. Now this is an app that I personally used once before. I used to watch movies from here as well. So this is one of the best out there. You can use Plex to watch movies. You can stream movies from here. You can select your different services, and you can you can also select your different genres. You can watch it. You can see your Plex channels as well. And yeah, there are a lot of different features available in this app itself, so you can try to use this. And yeah, those are the apps that I was talking about. Thanks for watching guys. Enjoy watching your movies.